We have today phenomenal books that can help parents to help their children improve their social skills. An excellent choice for parents of young children is the book Friends Forever: How Parents Can Help Their Kids Make and Keep Good Friends. For parents of middle school children, high school children, and young adults, they can try to use the book The Science of Making Friends: Helping Socially Challenged Teens and Young Adults. It also comes with a DVD. For the parents who buy the ebook version, they can have access to the content of this book online. The book provides the link for the video content online. Another excellent book is the book Social Skills Training for Children and Adolescents with Asperger's Syndrome and Social Communication Problems. As this book explains, this book is not only for parents of children with autism spectrum disorder. It can be used by all parents. Another phenomenal choice is the book How to Win Friends and Influence People. I highly recommend, however, that parents read it first before they will read this book with their teenager children. This book was written about 80 years ago, so the content may not please every parent because it has used kind of old language, some old words that may feel outdated. I don't think it's outdated. The content is really relevant to still today. But again, I do recommend that parents read it first before they read with their teenagers. So this is the only book that the parents will read with their teenagers, typically the older, like 14-year-olds and older. These other three books are books only for the parents to read. But this book here, The Science of Make Friends, it does have chapter summaries that the author recommends that the parents would read with their children. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. Of course, this video is not a replacement for the advice of your family doctor or your child's pediatrician. Please review the terms of use of this video in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to continue receiving the content from our channel.